The prosecution argued an affair Dwight Rust had at the time was the motive and was taking active steps to start a new life with this woman. More than a dozen supporters, including family, friends, and neighbors of Dwight Rust Jr., filled the courtroom.
Dwight Rust Jr. is a victim in this case.
Rust is accused of killing his wife Michelle back in July 2002. He told police she left their home around 9:30 a.m. to buy birthday supplies to celebrate their son's 3rd birthday. Her green Dodge Caravan was found near the home. A key broken in the driver's door. Her body was never found. Bail review testimony indicates Rust was indicted for lying to police back in 2005 that he had been involved in an affair at the time of his wife's disappearance, a woman he eventually married and had children with.
Every member of his family has cooperated with law enforcement. There is no forensic evidence, no DNA, no latent fingerprints. There is no witness that has come forward to say that they saw a crime occur or had evidence that a crime occurred. The police simply cannot solve Michelle's disappearance and have chosen, although we have no new evidence in 21 years, to blame Dwight Rust Jr.
The prosecution told the judge there's no evidence Michelle ran away. Her parents were the last to see her alive the night before her disappearance. According to prosecutors, Rust planned to tell Michelle on their son's birthday he wanted a divorce. The state says Rust disposed of the body in a way that it would not be found. They argued if given bail, Rust would intimidate possible witnesses.
You also heard that because he was planning on ending his marriage, that was motive for murder. There's no prior history of domestic violence. There's no allegations that he ever threatened her or caused any physical harm or even verbally abused her. There's only evidence that he was going to leave the marriage. He didn't profit from her disappearance. There was no life insurance policy.
Prosecutors provided a grand jury with an 18-page document spelling out their case against Rust. The defense claims it contained no new evidence.
I was a prosecutor for 5 years. I've been a defense attorney for almost 16. I've never seen a case with less evidence charged since I've been a lawyer. This case is embarrassing, and it's a travesty, and he should have been released today.
The judge noted that Rust has no criminal history and is eligible for home detention, but denied bail citing public safety concerns. Reporting from District Court in Towson, David Collins, WBAL-TV 11 News.